instead of blowing your cash ka cocaine. Why don't you become my blesser?
Yes, people must go to school. The children must go to work.
Yes,
money that I want.
and to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
Hi, your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Yeah, bathandi bomkosi. That is none other than Lesego Marakala, also known as Rachel Kunutu, for her role that she has been playing on Skeem Saam for years. The award-winning actress bathandi bomkosi departed from the show in 2020 for some personal reasons. But recently, news are spreading on social media stating that she is about to make her dramatic return to the show on the 10th of June 2025. But see, the last time we've seen Rachel on the TV show, it was when she framed her husband Umaroti, and also she dried his bank account and left him dry and broke. But see, she's famously known as the original slay queen of Mzansi, the founder of Soft Life, because of how she depicted her role on the show of wanting to be with a man who had money from a very young age, basically wanting a man to do everything for her. But people love how she acts and the drama that she brings on the show. So if you were not watching the show for a very long time, I think now it is time for you to go back and revisit the show, because drama is about to return. And of course, people are excited and celebrating the return of Rachel on Skeem Saam. That's for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.